I've now transitioned from OpenClaw into Claude Code, although the actual like name of the tool, it doesn't really matter because all the principles still apply. And really the thing is the same regardless. It's just like an idea of a system or a personal assistant AI that's actually smart, and the idea has developed over time. So, it started as maybe just having my like personal organized files in Notion or whatever, my notes. You build like your own knowledge base, then you build a few like automations and scripts. Then like AI came, I have a lot of ChatGPT conversations, and then you kind of built this together in OpenClaw, or I tried a thing with the Codex app, and now I'm in the Claude Code CLI. Like really, it doesn't matter. Like the principle is the same. It's just a system of like knowledge about me, like data about me, my preferences, and also like connectors to other tools, and then like an LLM AI agent running in the thing. And currently, I have a personal system built out, which I have called AgentOS. Although again, the name doesn't really matter, and the naming is like the least important thing. But here is my AgentOS, and it's literally just like a directory. Like you can find it in Finder. Uh, I put it on iCloud Drive. Let me change the camera. Yeah, my Mac. Oh my god. Oh, it's lagging. Oof. Oh, damn. It's not good. Yeah, I'm doing too much processing on my MacBook Air here. It's feeling outdated. My MacBook M1 Air, which I mean, it's a beast, but anyways. Yeah, it's literally just a folder on my computer, and I put it on iCloud Drive so I get cloud backup, but it doesn't matter. And what's inside the folder? Just more folders. Some text files, like this Claude MD file, which just has text inside. And then a bunch of other folders, some text files and some other folders that have a bunch of data and other things. This data directory should be downloaded, by the way. Why is it not? Oh, it is. Yeah, this one is important that it stays downloaded. It is, okay. Let's check the size on this one. 7 gigabytes, okay, nothing crazy. Let's check the, yeah, I guess that's it. What's inside the data directory is very special. I'm not going to take the time in this video to go through my whole system, and it's always evolving anyways, but one thing that I have almost finished already is trying to collect all data that exists on me from any platform. So by that I mean, for example, Google has a ton of data on you, and guess what? You can export it and get it, at least if you're in the EU. I don't know how it works in other countries. I'm guessing it's global. You can get all the data that Google has on you, or at least a large part of it. I don't know if it's technically everything. You can just download that. Same for iClouds and for Microsoft. Same for Instagram and TikTok. Get all your like usage patterns. Same for Spotify. I've exported all of this into my own system so that my agents can look through it. And this file is just a text file again, but it has info with pointers to everything else. Let's see what we have here. Apple, ChatGPT export, Google, LinkedIn, my Messenger messages, Meta like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, payment platform, streaming history, payments, Samsung data, uh, there's like, what's this in the US? Like Craigslist or something? I don't remember. Norwegian version. Messages, government data, which I scraped from the websites. We have my location data for years, like where I've been every day for years. And we have live connections to Apple Health, syncs in there all the time. We got it connected to Strava and Heavy for like tracking workouts. We got it connected to Cloudflare, which is like a cloud hosting thing. And not just to a single service, but to my whole Cloudflare account, so I can like create all the other services below that by itself. So I don't need to use the web dashboard anymore. Super nice. Garmin data, we exported macro factor, yeah, like calorie tracking data from whenever I did that. And some of this is in Apple Health already, and some of it is unique. But I also have my full Apple Health from all the years there, all the blood tests I've ever done, all my journals. This one is very high signal. Every journal I've written, every voice memo I've recorded where I'm dumping my thoughts, and also every like video I've recorded of myself or posted to social media or something. It's all in there. It's all transcribed. It's all like searchable by text, or an agent can like ingest all of it and extract the meaning. And then all the photos and videos, it has access to them through iCloud Photos. So you can like download anything on demand and find anything historically, but also everything I'm taking from now on and in the future and since the last month when I set it up automatically gets passed through an AI to get it like described and transcribed. So if it's a video, we get the transcript as text and a description of what happens in the video visually as text as well, which we store in a database. So an agent can now just look through the text descriptions of all the photos or videos I've taken today or the last week or the last month. And I can ask it like, hey, find that, one picture I took of the dog in the streets of Oslo like 3 weeks ago, and it can find it like this because it's in text already, etc. Yeah. That's a small peek at the current version of the system. And it's been through like multiple different interfaces, like OpenClaw through Telegram. I've been in the Codex desktop app. I've been a lot in Claude Code Terminal CLI, and now I'm trying out the Claude Code inside the Claude desktop app, which is essentially the same as the Terminal Interactive CLI, just slightly nicer UI. And so it's been working quite well.